Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues or issues on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on above we will search about Discord app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage and then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget